from Ohio's Channel 4 News. Serving Ohio for more than a decade, this is Ohio's 9 o'clock news from ONN.
Good evening, Ohio. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Qualmeyer.
And I'm Jessica Goddard. And
making news in the State House, a 2002 study found that physical aggression happens in 1 in 3 teen dating relationships.
But in 2010, teens in Ohio can't get legal protection against their aggressors. As ONN State House correspondent Jim Heath reports, a bill making its way through the State House would change that.
I think that the relationship abuse that we have as teenagers is as vital as it is as you are an adult.
Teenager Christina Miles of Euclid told lawmakers Tuesday the issue of underage violence hits close to home.
My family member was actually attacked by her boyfriend during high school, and he was a stalker, and he was crazy, and he did all these things to her.
House Bill 10 would allow judges to grant protection orders to teens who are threatened by other teens. Right now, the law only allows for adults to receive protection orders.
When we were growing up, it was much different. Today, we have a situation in this country where every day 16 young people lose their lives.
Tyrone White of Stand Against Violence points to a specific case in Toledo where a teenager was murdered by her former boyfriend. This bill could offer young people protection.
If that person comes near them and they pick up the phone and call the police have the authority through the court order to arrest them on the spot.
State Senator Tim Grendell says the bipartisan bill is likely to be passed soon.
We need to provide the opportunity for young folks who are subject to this kind of harassment and physical threat to be able to go to the juvenile courts and get protection.
House Bill 10 was unanimously approved today by the Senate Judiciary Committee. In Columbus, Jim Heath for the Ohio News Network.
If you or someone you know needs help, call the National Teen Dating Abuse Helpline at 1-866-331-9474. Should teens be allowed to file for protection orders if they are in abusive relationships? That was today's web poll question on ONNTV.com, and the results are in. 87% of voters say teens should be able to file for protection orders. 13% disagree.